And the rest of the crew, I'd like to welcome you on board this flight J651 to Dubai. We'll be shortly leaving Colombo today. After takeoff, we'll be climbing to our initial cruising altitude of 34,000 feet. The flight time today is 4 hours and 15 minutes.
Cabin crew, prepare all doors and cross-check. As we are now departing to Dubai, may I ask you to please switch off your mobile phone and ensure that it remains switched off for the duration of the flight. You may use your mobile once the aircraft has landed and left the active runway. Thank you. In a few moments I will be showing a short video on the safety aspects of this aircraft. Please watch and listen carefully. Thank you.
Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. We are now preparing for takeoff. Your tray table, footrest and personal video screen should be folded away, window blinds open, and your seat should be in the upright position. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt symbol is illuminated. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap and lift the... If you wish to sleep during the flight, please fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so that we will not have to disturb you. For safety reasons, it is forbidden to use any portable electronic devices during taxi, takeoff or landing. Mobile telephones and other electronic equipment must remain switched off until you are told it is safe to use them by your cabin crew. It is illegal to smoke on board, including electronic smoking devices. All toilets have smoke detectors. The cabin environment is carefully controlled. If oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Attend to yourself first and then help others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the brace position appropriate to your seat. There is a life jacket under or to the side of your seat. When instructed by the cabin crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when you're leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. You can use the whistle to attract attention and the light will automatically illuminate when in water. Before we commence our journey, take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. There are 10 emergency exits on this 777-300, which are clearly marked in red. If required, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit, which may be behind you. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. Your cabin crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out a final safety check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates.
Flight, you can enjoy ice, information, communications and entertainment. Choose from over 1,200 channels on demand with more than 200 on ice to see what you can buy on today's flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome on board once again. On today's flight, our cabin crew come from 12 countries and speak Arabic, English, French, Amharic, German, Spanish, Croatian, Serbian, Mandarin, Cantonese, Vietnamese, and Portuguese. A warm welcome to our Emirates Skywards members joining us on this flight. Emirates Skywards is our frequent flyer program, providing you with rewards and privileges every time you fly. If you would like to join, please speak to one of the cabin crew to receive an instant enrollment card and earn miles on today's flight. A wide variety of duty-free items are available. Please make your selection from the duty-free magazine in your seat pocket. Lastly, you may wish to a pleasant flight with us today. If there is anything I or a member of my team can do to assist you, do please let us know. Thank you.